Beautiful large studio in Briarwood. This is entrance. It's the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. On the right is the kitchen, beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. Comes with a stove and a fridge, and that's the exhaust on the top. It's got 3 closets here. It's one here, another one here, and it's the linen closet. That's all renovated, very clean. Beautiful apartment, elevated building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops, and very close to the train station, express train, the E train, F train, Union Turnpike station, and Queens Boulevard. And apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.